We couldn't find a campground near Monterey that was under $150 a night during Thanksgiving week. So we ended up here at the Hilton in Monterey, which is technically in Seaside, and we're on the 12th floor. That's where our room is, of the atrium style hotel. And I'd say it's pretty empty, and you have to wear masks, and the pool's closed and things. But other than that, everything else feels pretty normal. I am at the Embassy Suites in Monterey, which is technically in Seaside, California. And when you come into the room, there is a sofa and chair in this living room area, an ottoman. There's also a side table. There is a TV here, and then a chest of drawers, and then a desk area with a lamp with outlets. And we've got a mirror there. Coming into the kitchenette, there is a microwave. There's a big storage cubby right here, a good sized refrigerator right here. Then there's also a sink, a coffee maker, some coffee and tea, and then an ice bucket. And it looks like this is probably another little storage area. Yep. This is a pet-friendly hotel, and you can see that Frankie is enjoying all the space. So come to this side, there is a barn door to the bathroom, and I'll turn the lights on. So you've got a really big sink, and you got, just your normal toilet, bathtub. Here we go. Bathtub with a shower head and a little soap area, and there's a bar to get in and out. It's a pretty big bathroom. We've got some extra towels, hair dryer, extra tissues, Neutrogena products. And coming around to this side, to the bedroom, there is a closet right here with an extra pillow, ironing board, and then a safe. There's also a desk in the bedroom, another lamp with outlets, and a big mirror, another TV, more drawers, and then we've got the king-size bed, and on the side, on the nightstand here, we've got a lamp with multiple outlets, another phone, some more drawers here in the nightstand. Coming around, the other side has the same lamp with outlets, and then a little alarm clock with more outlets with some USBs. The hotel, it's Embassy Suites, so no top sheet, but it's kind of that all-in-one duvet sheet thing. And then we've got another full-size mirror and a suitcase holder on this side. Now, looking outside, we have a partial ocean view. So we've got the lagoon here, and then the ocean on the other side. And on this side, the other lagoon that's over here, plus the parking lot. And what's really nice is we can see our trailer down there, just to make sure everything's going okay with it. So really nice view here, and this window opens just so slightly, but just enough to get some fresh air into the room. And of course the remote was cleaned and freshly wrapped for our use, and then they also provide hand sanitizer wipes. So this is 1219, oh Frankie. And it's the king one bedroom at the Embassy Suites in Monterey. Just a quick walk outside of our room, and here is the guest laundry, but also the ice and vending. Now the vending machines are closed due to COVID, but you can get items in the gift shop downstairs. This is the laundry room, which is on the 12th floor, and you can see there's 2 Speed Queen commercial washers, $3 each, and then 2 Speed Queen commercial dryers, $2 for drying. And you can buy laundry supplies in the gift shop. There's a small gift shop that has a lot of like touristy things and books and postcards and things like that, but then it also has coffee and drinks and beer and wine. There is an ATM machine at this hotel too. And there's even a small business center. The hotel has a small pet walk area and even provides bags to clean up after your dog. And the hotel has bikes for rental. Here's a view from the top floor of the atrium. And this hotel has 3 elevators. You can see one going up right now. And lots of natural light from the roof here. From the front of the building, you can see the city and a little bit of the mountains. The front elevator bank has 2 elevators right here. And coming in the elevator, it's kind of fun because it is a glass elevator, so you can see what's going on in the atrium as you go down.
First floor.
And the hotel has disinfecting wipe stations throughout the entire lobby and in front of the elevators. This hotel does have a pool and fitness center, but they're closed due to COVID. You can kind of see the pool area would have like some tables and chairs in it, and there's also a gym and some restrooms back here. This is the Silvertide Bar and Grill, again closed due to COVID. But it's a large space for dinner, and they also have a bar over here on that side. This section has desk type of seating with outlets right in front of the conference center. There's a drinking fountain too. And then a big seating area in front of the conference center. And then going into the main lobby here. There's a big seating area in front of a screen that's showing the Monterey Bay Aquarium. You can see go up to the hotel. And a fountain here next to the seating area. And then coming around, a lot more seating. There are big like booth type of things. They all have outlets at them. And in the center, those tables have outlets. This would be a really great hotel to get some work done while you're waiting. And again, a view up to the top. Okay, I just need to stop for like 1 second. Okay. So breakfast looks a little different. It's grab and go downstairs, and there's kind of a few choices, either the hot breakfast or a few cold items, and then you can get juices and coffee to go as well. The hotel is right near a path that goes around the lagoon here, and you can walk around it.